Michael, welcome to New Jersey. What's going on?
Yeah, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Yeah, this is Michael Williams from the Outside Lounge and Natural Fountain. I'm here to drop off some well-needed goods for the JAHJAH Foundation 40-foot container to go to Jamaica. I have my car loaded with stuff, from the front to the back.
Right.
You know, so
you passed by Calvary. Tell us about that encounter at Calvary. Tony said that he came over there.
Yeah, man. Tony, I went by Calvary Missionaries Food Center. Calvin gave me a whole heap of stuff on the back of the car. You know, so me and Calvin have a nice little, me and Tony have a nice little talk about this whole mission. So it's well needed, and he was just happy to be a part of it. He couldn't be here tonight, but I'm here.
Send his love and blessing.
Send his love and blessing. You know, so I'm here in the Garden State just to drop off some goodies from the Outside Lounge Natural Fountain.
Did you bring any natural fountain juice to the customer?
I did, and I brought some ice as well with some big red cup.
Okay, good.
So you're gonna enjoy the natural fountain juices.
All right, well, thank you for your hospitality, all right, and thanks for coming.
Yeah, man, and I want to be a sister. You see, God has blessed me in a special way, right? And it wouldn't be good on my part to just keep that blessing for myself. Right. You always have to share the blessing of the Father bestowed upon you, and that's what I'm here. My mother Jones, has taught me, if it's one banana between me and my sisters, then we have to share for all of us. And that's why, you know, I think it is really, really important that I'm here today to try to be a part of this mission.
Disaster relief mission.
Yeah, the disaster relief mission. And I'm so happy that God has blessed me, put me in a place where I can contribute some stuff towards this mission. Because back in the days, you know, when we grew up in Jonestown, and we moved from Trenchtown to Jonestown, Grace Vienna sausage was luxury, you know. Corned beef was a luxury. Cornflakes was luxury. And I'm now in a position to buy 14, 20 tin of corned beef, 20 tin of Vienna sausage. So we can give it to my brothers and sisters. I said, boy, this is from me who went through the grind in Jamaica, and the blessing that God has shown upon me, I am here to move that forward. And Mother Jones have taught me, Mikey, if you have $1, 50 cents is somebody else. Right. Don't take the dollar on your own, it's not yours. And I keep that lesson. Right. Live and die for Mother Jones' blessing enough, for Mother Jones' teaching, I should say. Right. You know, whatever. Well. Yeah, man, my mother, that's why I never talk about my mother so much, you know, because my mother has, and I'm getting emotional now, but she has taught me, Mikey, whatever you do, whatever you get, you save a little bit, eat a little bit, and share a little bit. That's it. And I'm not gonna get emotional now, but
show us some of what you have.
Yeah, right now.
Walk around and open up the fly out the gate.
We have some things from
Andy.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Calvary Mission.
This is from Calvary Mission. From Calvary Mission.
Right.
Yeah, man, Michael.
Thank you, Michael.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Michael came over from New York, guys, from Queens.
From Queens. And I not only bring things to the barrel, but I bring some refreshment as well.
You brought some of his juice. He has a juice called Natural Fountain Juice.
I knew that we'd be getting juice.
Yeah, man.
All right, let's roll out. Team, let's roll out and get these things organized over there, please.
One of the directors of JAHJAH Foundation, and Mr. Williams, we want to thank you on behalf of JAHJAH Foundation for your donation and for your continuous help to the JAHJAH Foundation and the Jamaican people.
We appreciate it. You're welcome. All right. everybody do a little bit, then it turns out to be a lot when everybody come together. And that's the whole idea. If everybody should have to put a little bit in the kitty, we can go a long way.
I want to give a big shout out to Michael Williams of Natural Fountain Juices for supplying us for the last couple of days, but not just supplies to send to Jamaica. He had a van load of supplies to send to Jamaica, and he also brought us refreshment juices as our volunteers work to pack these containers. And I can tell you, those juices from Natural Fountain Juices, they're very good, they're very refreshing. I also want to thank Mr. Tony Singh from Calvary Mission over there in Queens, New York. He brought a lot of food supplies to us also, canned, non-perishable goods. So we want to thank him and his team over there at the Calvary Mission for coming on board and helping us in this endeavor. JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans abroad and friends of Jamaica, helping Jamaicans at home. One love.